Hello, today we'll show you how to make your program trustworthy when someone downloaded from the link you provided. As we can see here, there is warning after you download the software. Now, we will fix and remove the warning when someone download your software. Go to microsoft.com/n-a/wdzi/file submission and choose software developer. Or just copy the link in the description below. Log in your Microsoft account and provide the details of your software to be reviewed by Microsoft. Choose Microsoft Defender Smart Screen and enter your company name. Select the file you wish to upload. In my case, I'll choose the file with the one that had a warning when I downloaded it earlier. Select the incorrectly detected as a malware and provide some information in detection name, definition version, and additional information. Now review your submission and click Submit. It will upload your file and the Microsoft will review it. Wait at least 12 hours before the warning will disappear. The Microsoft will send you a notification of your submission and for the status to be completed. When the status of your submission is complete, go back to the link and try to download your file. Make sure the file you upload in the malware analysis is the same file in your link. Now you can see that the warning is gone. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.